Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a WhatsApp QR code. So, let's get started. First of all, open the WhatsApp app on your Android phone. Once you are in the app, tap the three dots in the top right corner to open the settings menu. Then, tap on your profile picture or name at the top of the screen. Here, you will see the option QR code. Go ahead and tap on that, and you will be able to see your personal WhatsApp QR code. This is the code that you can share with anyone to make it easier for them to message you directly. Now you have two options. You can either share your QR code by tapping the share icon, or you can save it to your phone. If you want to scan someone else's code, simply tap on the scan code option and your camera will open up to scan any WhatsApp QR code. This is a simple and quick way to connect with others without the need to manually share your phone number. And that's it. Now you know how to create a WhatsApp QR code. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.